Draper offer 2 spill kits and 1 drain protection kit. These kits are ideal for use in industrial, engineering or automotive workshops and are also suitable for use in vehicles carrying more than 20 litres of fluid. The 50-litre kit contains a whole array of equipment suitable for containing and absorbing leaks and spills of most fluids, including solvents, oils, mild acids and mild alkalis. It's supplied in a high-vis shoulder bag and individual refill equipment is available. The 30-litre kit contains equipment to deal with spillage of AdBlue and other hazardous chemicals. The drain protection kit consists of a nylon bag containing a drain protection mat, which is used to prevent spillages from entering drains and watercourses. For oil spills, there is a selection of oil spill-only equipment that can be used even when other fluids are present. These can be purchased individually depending on the specific requirement. Also, look out for the Draper range of fluid-safe storage products. So, whenever you're working with or carrying hazardous fluids, make sure you have a Draper spill kit.